Hello everyone, it's Floki here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS to work with the Caffeine application. I've seen this question come by a lot in the Caffeine Discord server, so I thought why not make a video on it to make it everyone a bit easier. To start off, you want to make sure you've got the OBS Studio application. This will not work with the OBS Classic application. So download that, go to the setup, and then come back to this video. Okay, to start off, this will be the screen you'll be greeted with. I cleaned everything up, so this will be the actual screen. Then you want to go to Settings, go to Video, and set these resolutions to 720p. The reason for this being is because Caffeine only streams at 720p, so setting it higher isn't really needed. Okay, then click Apply. Okay, now we're done with the settings. Then you want to right click the preview screen, go to preview scaling and click on canvas. Now get a bit smaller. Then you want to add a source, just whatever you want to capture, game capture, display capture, anything works. I'll go with display capture for this tutorial. I'll capture this display. What you'll see then is that the screen will be zoomed in. So what you want to do is drag this down to resize it, then move the screen to the corner, it will snap in it, resize it so it fills up the whole black space, and then lock it. Locking it is quite important because it will show this red border in the stream if you don't do it. So now we've got it locked. You could start streaming right now, but you want to resize it first because otherwise it will show this light gray bar around it. So you want to have it like this, minimize it till the gray bar is gone. You want to do this precise because otherwise you'll miss out on your screen. Just do it like that. Alright, so now that we have got this ready, we're basically done with OBS. Then you will want to start up Caffeine. Gonna give that a minute to start up. Put this in the corner, like that. Alright, you'll need to log in on your Caffeine account on the Caffeine application. Go to Settings and set up your microphone and webcam. Once you have those selected, you go back to the home screen and choose a title for your stream, just whatever you would like. Then you're done with the Caffeine application. You want to go back to OBS and it will give you this notification. If you get this notification, you know that it worked. If you don't get this notification, you might want to reset it or reinstall the OBS. If you do get it, just click Ctrl-Alt-L and it will start streaming the preview window. Once it has started streaming, you can minimize it, you can just move it around, but you don't want to resize it because that will show the gray bars again. So just leave it like that, minimize it, put it on our screen, just do whatever you want with it. There is one other way to do this, that is with a full screen projector and have it on another screen, and then click start streaming. This will eliminate the gray bars as well, but then you will have the full screen preview on another screen. I prefer this method, but choose whatever you would like. I hope this has helped you out, and have a nice day. See ya.